Good day, viewers. I am Oluwase Olaiwaju, a 300 level law student from Bowen University and an undergraduate intern at Allen Solicitors. In this video, I will be discussing on the generator setback and permissible noise level at the communication-based transceiver station, shortly known as the BTS sites. But before I go straight into the topic, I would love us to know that the Nigerian Communications Commission is the independent regulatory body for telecommunication sector in Nigeria, while the National Environmental Standard and Regulation Enforcement Agency, here referred to as NESRA, is given the power to make laws for environmental issues and matters in Nigeria. By virtue of Section 70 of the Nigerian Communication Act 2003, the Commission is given the power to make its own regulations, guidelines, and laws concerning telecommunication industry in Nigeria. Also, by virtue of Section 34 of the NESRA Act 2007, the Minister of Environment is given the power to make other regulations, and two of those regulations are the National Environmental Noise Standard and Control Regulation 2009, here referred to as the 2009 regulation, and the National Environmental Standard for Telecommunication and Broadcast Facility, here referred to as the 2011 regulation. Regarding generator setback, the 2011 regulation provides that where a fossil fuel power generator is used, there should be a minimum setback of 15 meters from the generator to the existing surface water body or the water body source. Now you might be wondering, now what is this existing surface water body? There are wells and boreholes. Also, the regulation also provides that there should be a minimum setback of 6 meters from the generator to the fence of the demised property. And if there's no fence in this demised property, there should be a minimum setback of 8 meters from the generator to the residential premises. This can be seen in Regulation 9 of the 2011 regulation. Also, the regulation went further to state that the installation of the generator power set should be installed in a way that will minimize vibration to the barest minimum, and also the installation of the exhaust pipe of the generator should not be directed to the adjacent landed property. Apart from that, like I said, the Nigerian Communication Commission is given the power to make its own laws, regulations, and guidelines concerning telecommunication industry in Nigeria. And the Nigerian Communication Commission has made its own 2009 guidelines concerning the generator setback in telecommunication-based transceiver station sites. The NCC have made its guidelines regarding this, that there should be a minimum setback of 5 meters from the generator to the demised property. They also went further to provide that the generator should be soundproof, and also the installation of the exhaust pipe should not be directed to the demised property, and there should be an installation of a good shock absorber in order to minimize the vibration to the barest minimum. This can be seen in paragraph 13 subsection 6A of 2009 guidelines. Also, apart from the generator setback in telecommunication-based transceiver station, there are also some regulations made in regards to permissible noise level in telecommunication-based transceiver station. Regulation 2009 have made its own regulations regarding permissible noise level in telecommunication-based transceiver station. Regulation 2 of the 2009 regulation are provided for the maximum permissible noise level in telecommunication-based transceiver station. In residential areas, the maximum permissible noise level should be 50 decibel during the day and 35 decibel during the night. Now, you must be wondering, how do we calculate the day and the night? The day starts from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m., while the night starts from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. Also, it is logical to think that there are some residential areas that are built in industrial areas or commercial areas. Now, what would be the permissible noise level? It will definitely be higher than the 50 decibel during the day and 35 decibel during the night. Apart from that, there's also the maximum permissible noise level in hospitals and also public libraries. The permissible noise level in these places is 45 decibel during the day and 35 decibel during the night. By virtue of Section 22 of the Nigeria Act 2007, it has given power to the agency to be able to identify noise criteria, noise control technology, and noise source, and has also given the agency the power to make resolution concerning the control of noise emission in order to prevent the welfare and health of people living in the particular area. The permissible noise level in the Nigeria regulation is also alike with the one of the regulation, the 2009 regulation. For residential area, the permissible noise level is 50 decibel during the day and 35 decibel during the night. In industrial or commercial areas, it is 55 decibel during the day and 35 decibel during the night. And for places like hospitals and public libraries and even university, it's 45 decibel during the day and 35 decibel during the night. Also, it is important to know that Nigeria Regulation 2011 have also encouraged the use of friendly environmental power source like solar, hydro, and wind, and so on. Even Nigeria from time to time conduct some investigation and also monitor these people in order for them to follow the permissible noise level in a telecommunication-based transceiver station. Contravention to the permissible noise level, it is a crime punishable by the law. An individual that does not follow this regulation has to pay a fine of 50,000 naira and can also be imprisoned for 1 year or even both, and they have to pay a fine of 5,000 naira for every day the crime persists. And also, if this offense is done by a corporate body, they have to pay a fine of not exceeding 500,000 naira and also 10,000 naira for every day the crime passes. This can be seen in Regulation 17 subsection 1 and 2 of the 2009 and 2011 regulation. With these few points I said, I believe you have been able to understand the generator setback and permissible noise level at telecommunication-based transceiver station. For more information, you can visit our website www.alemsolicitors.com or check in on our social medias at Alem Solicitors. Thank you.